Guys, what's up? Chris Rod, Sun City Lawn Care. It's been a while since we've had a conversation, but just wanted to tune you guys into what I'm doing here. My tall type fescue lawn. We are doing a small renovation, okay? Now, we took over this lawn in 2018, October, and we did an overseeding aeration. And we brought this lawn back to life. I'm telling you guys, you should have seen it before. Destroyed by armyworms, wedworms, grubworms, took over the lawn. Okay, so 2018 going into 19, we knew that this was going to be a problem. Okay, this patch here was the only part of the yard that had Bermuda grass. Okay, for many years ago, it just survived and took over. So it's fall. It's time to take care of this. So I've got it down to what we call the white meat, if you will. We'll zoom in here. All right. Okay, and we have got it treated with a herbicide. We're going to be killing all. Okay, there's a small area back here we're going to be treating that well. There was some concrete removed. We're gonna, in that area in particular though, we're going to be amending the soil, getting some peat moss down, and going with GCI turf type tall fescue back there, and as well here. As you can see, the rest of the yard is still very lush, very green. We got some patchy areas that we're going to be doing an aeration, a liquid aerate, and overseeding as well. So I'm not going to step on this to get any closer because I've already got some non-selective herbicide down, if you will. We're going to come back next week in 7 days. We're going to see how it is. If I need to do another application, which you may, if you're doing a renovation like this, you may have to do another application. In this case, I got it down to soil. Okay, so I'm hoping not to have to go down a second application, where I can come in, grind up the soil, loosen it up a little bit, add the seeding, do the aeration, throw a little starter fertilizer on it, and then top dress it with some peat moss, if you will, and give it. I've had great germination rate with the GCI fescue. I've had it up to 7 days as fast as germination. So y'all stay tuned.